Hey, I didn't see you standing there. Welcome to the Dent Guy. My name's Dan. I'm just finishing this one up here, but I tell you what, why don't you take a look at this video and when we wrap it up, we'll see if we can help you out. Here you go.
Here we have this vehicle that just made it in before the salt hit the roads this winter. The customer's SUV door had swung open into the panel, leaving a very hard crease through the body contour line. As we pan back and forth with the natural reflection, you can see that this damage is starting to come out slowly. This definitely has tried our patience, along with taking quite some time to get the panel back into shape. This definitely wasn't a quick, hey, hang out in the waiting room and we'll knock this out for you. We pulled the wheel off and accessed through the factory hole that's in the wheel well through a grommet, but you can see in the reflection here that this is a pretty much flawless repair except for a couple paint imperfections that we had told the customer that would still be there, but we can definitely save them from painting the whole side of their vehicle, which collision shops didn't want to do. With panning across it with this natural reflection, you can see why our customer was so happy. Hank, thank you very much for bringing your vehicle into us, and we're glad that we could help with your repair.
Okay, all set. Let's go take a look and see what I can help you with.